Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Sun in 10th house. About Sun. Rules Leo. Exaltation Aries. Detriment Aquarius. Fall Libra. Responsible. Eyes. Soul. Government. Father. GIF Shield of Helios, or Circle of Infinity. Represents power urge, personality, ego. Anatomy: the heart, upper back, spleen, circulatory system, the sperm, right eye of male, left eye of female. Keyword: inner self. General: the main expression of the individual. It shows the qualities of leadership and success. And it represents the masculine principle, the husband, father, men. Sun: it rules health, vital principles, and authority and bosses, title, high office, rank, progress, energy, dignity, sense of identity and capacity for experience. So its action is fortifying, vitalizing. The Sun in your chart is the life and heart of the chart. It is where you want to shine in life. 10th house, it means public. It shows your public life. Reputation, profession, authorities, apparent, status, ego. Natural sign is Capricorn. Natural ruler is Saturn. Keyword is honor. 10th house is a house of substance and earth. Quality is angular house. General. The 10th house shows your career, reputation and position in the community. And it shows your ego, status, reputation, promotion, ambition, business and social activities, your employer, the government or any other agency for you. This house shows your achievements, how the world recognize and evaluate you and your influence in your own circle. Here we see the church as an organization and opposite parents from the one represented by your 4th home. Sun in the 10th house, keyword is responsible. You feel the need to prove your importance, so you are often successful and sometimes famous. Depending on the other influences in your chart, you are likely to be born from well-placed parents in the community. From this favorable start in life, you will likely improve your situation gradually. Success often comes easily in any business or industry you choose. If you are not in the public eye, you are a leader in your own circle, after all. This is an ideal position for politics, because you are ambitious and influenced by power. People in high positions may look at you with affection, helping you to continue your ambition. You also have the ability to rise to a prominent position in society, maybe even in government offices. You have high moral standards, which you apply to yourself and to others. Fortunately, your vitality and health are often good and so you can achieve your goals. Sometimes you are rebellious and arrogant, but people always pay attention to you. You can be adept in business and career matters and focus on achieving success in your chosen field. You were born at the time of day when the sun is reaching its strongest position in the sky. This means you are motivated to achieve your goals and put your personal stamp on everything you do. You strive to achieve and gain recognition. Your vitality is good and most likely you are highly aware of what you are doing when you go where you want in life. You set high standards for yourself. Your focus can sometimes be too focused on one area and you may need to learn to pay more attention to other areas of life over time, to experience life completely. Doing so will minimize the impact of stress. The Sun in the 10th house shows health, wealth and happiness relative to your place in society. Your marital status, any office role, your career and public leadership position can bring great wealth. You can also gain from government, command, commercial, career, public judge and your mother or mother in the family. This position shows that you can achieve a good reputation in a society that leads the way through your ability to shine, lead and prosper. Others compete with you. They respect your skills shown to the world. You also have the ability to find a marriage partner that helps you maintain your position in society, someone who helps increase your reputation and wealth. You are looking for a partner that suits your ability to shine, not someone who has different values. However, you have the ability to shine on your own. Solar sphere of the 5th house specifies speculation and gambling and evokes the image of commodity traders, promoters, stock traders, investment banks, risk investors. The solar qualities of leadership and fatherhood are connected to competent and executive positions. The Sun represents the vocation fathers and nurturers of others, and with the Sun in the leadership of the 10th house as part of the career path, therefore, positions such as foreman, president, judge, community leader, business manager, instructor, principal and group director all reflect the Sun shining through the 10th house. On an individual level, the need for individual father's approval can be high, and this can be unconsciously transferred to the upper level of the workforce when father's approval feels lacking or denied. You can also have an influence in your choice of vocation. This is not always conscious, as your father's unresolved professional life can shadow your own career path. The sun is also associated with entertainment, self-improvement, creative expression, or career-related audiences. Acting, theater, performing arts, motivational training, teaching, selling, advertising, and promoting are all in line with the urge to express yourself. This can also manifest in careers-related entertainment centers, or careers related to entertainment and entertainment. The sun is also the natural ruler of the 5th house, offering to work with children's and children's products. A wide range of professions will fit into this category, such as teachers, child advisors, children's entertainment or entertainment, children and educational toys, children's clothing, etc. Thank you for watching my video. Which house is your sun position? Want to get a free natal horoscope? Please tell me. Thank you so much.